In 1969, Seiko shook up the watchmaking industry and changed the world by introducing the world's first quartz wristwatch. This wristwatch was named the Seiko Astron. Since 2012, Seiko has reused this namesake in a different watch that aims to also revolutionize conventional horology with GPS timekeeping and solar power. You may know these pieces as semi-busy chronographs until now. With the release of the SSJ003, we now have a very simple three-hand date version of the Astron, and this one looks totally innocent. But looks can absolutely be deceiving. What's up everyone, it's Chris with the Little Treasury channel. Welcome back. This is where we bring you awesome watch content at least once a week. And if you haven't already, please make sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell to be alerted as soon as we upload. I'm from Little Treasury Jewelers, which is located in Gambrills, Maryland. And it's where you go when you're in the know. As always, the watches that I review are for sale and can be purchased, so please see the description below to contact us. If you're just joining us, I'll go over the watch's detailed measurements and features, and then I'll offer my humble opinion at the end. In our last video, we reviewed the Grand Seiko SSJ003, which is a new limited edition that represents the calm water on Lake Suwa. I recommend checking this one out if you would like to see possibly the most attractive and fully packaged watch that Grand Seiko has ever offered. Wrist check time. Today I'm wearing my Seiko SBDC071, which is one of my favorite casual pieces to wear. I really enjoy this rubber strap. I didn't really at first, but it actually grew heavily on me, and I just like how comfortable it is. Now tell me which watch you're wearing while you're watching the video, and make sure to tell me why. Now let's get on to the features. The Seiko Astron SSJ003 has a 38.9mm case width, an 11.2mm thickness, a 45.3mm lug-to-lug, a 20.6mm lug width, and weighs in at 143.57 grams. The case is stainless steel with a super hard coating and has high polish on the lugs with matte finish on the sides and a nice curve. The crown can be found at the 3 position, and a small pusher that you will need a pin to press can be found above and below. These pushers control manual time setting, airplane mode, and satellite reception checks, plus a few other small adjustments, while the crown controls all the major parts. The bezel is fully ceramic and is in blue. We have a sapphire crystal with a super clear coating, and it is completely flush with the bezel and not domed. The dial is blue with a small step at the edges. You will find a minute grade in white along the chapter ring, which will have a small airplane for airplane mode, an N for no, a Y for yes, and an LS for leap seconds. The dial markers are raised from the dial and are high polished rectangles. Seiko can be found applied in silver at the top middle portion with Astron below in white. The hour hand is a big arrow, and the minute hand is a modern Dauphine style, with a white second hand that has an arrow as the counterweight. The date window can be found at the 3 position and has a silver frame with a black background and white numerals. GPS and solar can be found at white at the bottom middle portion. Loom can be found on the hour, minute, and second hands, and on the 12, 3, 6, and 9 markers. The movement in this piece is the Seiko 3x22, which is a solar-powered quartz movement and has a 15-second per month accuracy if it isn't synced with the GPS. If it is synced, it will be accurate to 1 second in every 100,000 years. It has an automatic hand position alignment function, an airplane mode, a perpetual calendar, and power save function. The Astron will grab the time automatically as soon as it detects outdoor lighting. The case back is closed and has a globe on the back with Seiko GPS Solar. The bracelet is a 3-link design and is completely matte finished with a folding pusher buckle that has Seiko on the top. It has Seiko's very innovative smart adjuster clasp, which is a hidden micro adjuster. The Seiko Astron SSJ003 is 100-meter water resistant and is ready to be your everyday companion for $1,600. Now for my humble opinion. I like this piece, and it looks great on my 6.5-inch wrist due to that 38.9mm case width. It is very simple and clean, but is really packed with the best technology, which if you don't care about automatic movements and just want perfect timekeeping all the time and no battery to worry about, this is totally for you. This piece really never needs to be touched at all to set the time, and it charges itself in any light, so it's very hands-off. I know that the other Astrons can be a little busy for some, and they're pretty big too, so I can understand why this piece would be attractive to the minimalist. I think that they did a great job simplifying the Astron into basically one crown with pushers that you won't typically use, and a totally clean dial. I'll recommend this piece to anyone who is just a guy that wants a perfect timekeeping watch, but a clean and under the radar look, and will be very legible and hands-off for the upkeep. Thanks for watching today, everyone. I really hope that you enjoyed the video. And of course, if you did, smash that subscribe button, give this video a like, and share it with all of your friends and every single one of your family members too. I look forward to seeing you next video.